Hi there, this is Doc Mountain and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually change or edit the details about your family on Meyo. You can actually change the profile pic of the family. You can also change other details. So let's take a ride and head on to Meyo. So here we go. We are in. So what you need to do is you click club and then you will see your family. So you simply click on it and then what you do is you swipe up. You simply click on where it says edit. When you click there, you can now click the avatar or the profile pic, and then you can either switch to those which are there. You can click the camera icon. So you take an option from those which are at the bottom. You click photo if you have a photo to upload. If you want, you can click camera if you want to just take a new pic. Okay, so now we'll head on to where the photos are, and here we go. We're gonna just click on the icon which is in the top right corner, the tick icon in the top right corner, and then we can now click OK, and then you click save. And there's a notification that has been changed successfully. Let's keep an eye on this family of ours to see if there will be anything that will change. Okay, so it has been changed. Boom, Elijah Zamba. So that's how we do it, family. That's how we do it. Go ahead and change the avatar.